Hello everyone, let's discuss a very important question that is based on aldol and Cannizzaro reaction. This question has been asked in IIT JAM 2016. The question is, the mechanism of the following transformation involves. So we have acetaldehyde and we have formaldehyde reacting in presence of caustic soda and forming this beautiful product. Okay. So we have to just see the mechanism and we have to just find how many aldol steps are there and how many Cannizzaro steps are there. So let's discuss. Let's see the mechanism first. We have acetaldehyde and acetaldehyde is this one. We can see CH2COH and there is H. This is the alpha carbon and it has alpha hydrogen, so it can undergo aldol condensation reaction. Where this is formaldehyde which lacks alpha hydrogen, so it will not undergo aldol reaction. So whenever there is the chance of aldol reaction is preferred first. Okay, it will have less activation energy, so this reaction will be more easier as compared to Cannizzaro. Now, so first it will be aldol step. NaOH, sodium hydroxide is a base. It has Na plus OH minus. OH minus will take away this acidic hydrogen. This is the acidic hydrogen. Now this will become CH2 minus COH. So this is the conjugate base of this acetaldehyde and this will act as a nucleophile. Now it has two carbonyl group in the solution. So it can either attack to this acetaldehyde or it can either attack to this formaldehyde. But we can say the attack on formaldehyde is more easier because there is less steric hindrance. Okay, more delta plus will be on this carbon, more delta plus, okay. And here it is methyl, so methyl has plus I as well as, hyperconjugation effect basically. So here the delta plus will be less and it will be more sterically crowded also, so this bulky nucleophile will not be able to attack more easily on that one. So we will prefer this attack, okay. So now the product will be HCO negative H and this will be CH2 COH, okay, or CHO. Let's write CHO, that is aldehyde group. Okay. Now again in this molecule we can say it's treated with water, so after taking H plus from the water it will become now CH2OH CH2 COH. Okay. Again in this molecule we can say this is the alpha hydrogen. This alpha hydrogen, 2 alpha hydrogen is there. So again it will react with NaOH. NH will again further accept this H plus and again you will get this carbanion, that is CH negative and CHO. This will again attack to this formaldehyde basically. So it will attack again to this formaldehyde. Okay, this bond will break down. Again one more aldol reaction. This is basically aldol. One more aldol reaction will be there. Now the product that we will have is CH2OH, okay, then CHO, and here it will be CH2O negative. And again it will take H plus from the water and this will turn into CH, CHO, CH2OH and CH2OH. Again we can say this is the alpha carbon and this is the alpha hydrogen. So again in the presence of sodium hydroxide, this alpha hydrogen will be removed and then you will get this carbanion now. After that this carbanion will attack to one more mole of this formaldehyde, will undergo nucleophilic addition and we will get this product. Now it will be CH2O negative, CHO, that is COH, CH2OH and CH2OH. Okay. Again it will take H plus from the water, this O negative, and will convert into CH2OH. Now this molecule has no alpha hydrogen left because this is the alpha carbon but there is no hydrogen left. So it has only aldehyde group. So aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen will undergo Cannizzaro reaction in the presence of base NaOH. So Cannizzaro is a disproportionation reaction, so this will get oxidized as well as reduced. So let me write the oxidized product first. it will be OH, CH2, C, CH2OH, CH2OH, and it will go to carboxylic acid. But because it is a base, so H plus will be lost by this acid, and this will be in the form of carboxylate ion. And the other reduced product is, when the aldehyde will get reduced, it will go to the 1 degree alcohol here. So you will get C, CH2OH. This will also turn to CH2OH, CH2OH, and CH2OH. So this reduced product basically is given as the product we have, this one. Or you can simply write it as, it's the carbon, then it is CH2, CH2, OH, OH, and then CH2OH, CH2OH. So both are same basically. That is the final product. So in this case, if we talk about what are the reactions, basically what are the different reactions we have. In the first, we can see the first is aldol. So this is the first aldol. Then it is the second aldol formation. So this is the second. After that, it is the third aldol. This is again aldol. And after that, it is Cannizzaro. So this transformation basically involves 3 aldol reaction plus 1 Cannizzaro reaction. Thank you.